The rains that have battered North India for the past 3 days have caused havoc in Delhi as well. These are visuals from Yamuna Ghat, which is right behind New Delhi's oldest cemetery, Nigambod. The Yamuna River, which flows through the national capital, swelled up and crossed the all-time record level of 207.49 meters, recorded on September 6, 1978. The swelling up of the river has left the Yamuna Ghat dwellers in despair.
आने के लिए सरकार ने ना चाय मट्ठी पूछी, ना नाश्ता वास्ता, ना डिनर विनर, कुछ नहीं पूछा।
पानी की कुछ परेशानी है, सारी सामान पड़ा है, भाई हमारे ये सारे हैं जी। और जिस रात से पानी की वो है, कल से परेशान है, अभी कोई बसता कुछ नहीं।
Hundreds of families are living in the low-lying areas of the banks. Their lives have been upended over the weekend. Residents are worried about the diseases that could spread in the area.
इस हयात को देखते हुए महामारी के बहुत चांस है, इन्फेक्शन हो रहा है लोगों को बेसिकली इस पानी से, मगर जाए तो जाए कहाँ, क्योंकि यही हमारा घर है, यही हमारी सारी चीज़ है, इसको हम छोड़ के भी हम रोड पे नहीं रह सकते।
According to officials, the sharp rise in water level is due to incessant rainfall in the upper catchment areas. Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj said the water level of the Yamuna is rising because of the discharge of a huge quantity of water from Haryana. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Wednesday requested residents to vacate their homes in the low-lying areas. But how is that possible? Ask residents.
जाने की मैडम इच्छा की बात नहीं है, मेन कारण तो मैडम सामान को, इंसान अपनी जान को देखो, कौन नहीं सोचता कि मेरी जान बचे। हम बड़े अपना सामान भी देखना पड़ता है, वही बड़ी मेहनत से कमाते पैसे इकट्ठा करते हैं, जब वो सामान आता है फ्रिज वीडियो टीवी सब छोटी मोटी चीज़ तो है नहीं मैडम, 15-20 हज़ार रुपये की चीज़ें आती हैं।
Several political leaders like Delhi Lieutenant Governor Vinay Saxena, Chandni Chowk MLA Prahlad Singh, as well as Delhi Minister Atishi visited Yamuna Ghat in the last 24 hours. Several people living in the low-lying areas have been shifted to safer places at higher altitudes. Over 45 boats have been deployed for awareness, evacuation and rescue work. On the other hand, NGOs have been roped in to provide relief to the evacuated people. 16 control rooms have been set up to monitor the flood-prone areas and the water level of the Yamuna. With Amrita Madhakalya Desanagha Deshpande for Deccan Herald.